Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one's once you go out to this website here, right here, called offensivesecurity.com. This address right here. What we're gonna do is I've already downloaded this file, but what we're gonna do is download a image. We're gonna install something else again. So if you're using 64-bit, grab this one. If you're using 32-bit, grab this one. Okay. So I've already downloaded it, and it's sitting here as we speak. So let me go out to my downloads folder. Actually, I'm not going to go out to my downloads folder. That's where it's at. Well, I probably want to unzip it. So let's see here. Let's just go in here. All right. So Jeff Seaman. There we go. Downloads. And it was recently. All right, there it is, sitting right there. It's a Z file. Let's see if it'll let me do it this way. So let's go into VirtualBox. Actually, let me just do something here. All right, so I wasn't sure about it. So let's see here. No, it's not gonna be. I want to extract it. It is a 7Z file for 7-zip. So let me see if I open 7-zip and see if I can unzip it. Very weird. Let's see if VMware will let me open it like this. So if I do create virtual machine, next, install the CD, I can go to, yeah, see it's not on there. It should have been an ISO already on there. Do not detect. Alright. Alright, so I'm actually going to do something else. I'm going to download the 64-bit for OVA, well, for VirtualBox, and we're going to try and install in VirtualBox on this video. Let it pause. Guys, we're back. So the video is downloaded, so I'm going to go and find the folder, and there it is. I'm going to double click on it. It should choose, well, that's really weird. You could choose, so I'm going to choose VirtualBox there. Alright, come on. Now it doesn't want me to do it. Beautiful, I downloaded it so I can open it on VirtualBox. Now once it open it here, okay, so import virtual machine, store virtual machine. Alright, so I get this automatically, hit import. Import failed because users download blah 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 did not pass OFV specification confirmation on virtual hardware. So click retry. So now it's trying to do it. Not the fastest thing in the world. Pause this while it downloads. We are almost there. As you can see, it's finally landing. And there goes my computer. All right, so we move out of here. We're over in the VirtualBox right here. And let's see if we can power on our virtual machine right now. Alright, cannot convert to virtual. Alright, wrong one. Hit no. Well, be nice if I was in the right environment. Sorry, I'm trying to share my screen here. So the password, the username is root, and the password is bidirectional. It's TOOR. So this is the environment that you want to have up and running, but in full screen. And so this is a Linux environment that we will use in this class that will allow us to do hack this machine, because we'll set it up to do this. So this is how to install that. So once you get the username, enter root, ROOT, and the password is TOOR backwards. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.